Now, bakit ngayon sinasabi natin na yung ligaw, bakit bumababa yung interest nila kapag nanligaw o kapag umaamin ka sa kanila? Kasi if ginagawa mo yung traditional ligaw na pinipilit mong maging kayo, yung palagi mo siyang hinahabol, na binibigay mo lahat para lang sagutin kanya, kumbaga you're chasing her you're chasing for her validation, yung yes niya. You're always chasing for her attention. Kasi usually yun yung traditional ligaw na na mali talaga eh. Pilit ka nag-e-effort, pilit ka nag-ano para lang magustuhan ka ng babae. If ganun yung ginagawa mo, nasa chase mode ka. And once nasa chase mode ka, it signals neediness. Okay? It signals neediness. So bakit? Kunwari, ito ikaw. So kapag ito ikaw, itong clown, may clown, ikaw yan, that naniligaw ka na, nagbibigay ka ng flowers, nagbibigay ka ng chocolates, ng gifts, ng money, you keep chasing her, kahit tinataboy mo na siya, you still, hindi, may pag-asa pa to, mag-e-effort lang ako na mag-e-effort. Pero wala pa rin talaga. Subconsciously, may isip niya, okay, why is he chasing me so hard? Maybe it's because wala siyang options. Yun yung naiisip niya. He is chasing me so hard, so maybe wala siyang ibang options. So again, looking at pre-selection, they only want the man who is also wanted by other women. Gets? So, nawawala ngayon yung pre-selection, baliktad. So, ba't niya ako pilit hinahabol? Ba't pilit niya ako pinapasagot? Okay, ba't niya pa kailangan magbigay ng flowers, chocolates? Ba't kailangan niya mag-perform? Kailangan niya maging performative male? Kailangan niya magkunwaring nonchalant? Kailangan niya magkunwaring alpha? Para lang mapasagot ako. Siguro wala tong ibang options. That's why, hindi ka nila nagugustuhan. Bumababa yung interest nila sa'yo. Kasi nawawala yung pre-selection. Okay, naisip nila, hindi to pre-selected man. Hindi siya pre-selected man. Ayaw siya ng ibang babae, so kailangan pa niyang gumawa ng mag-perform. Kailangan niya pa maghabol.